The world of finance is witnessing a remarkable transformation, largely driven by the burgeoning interest in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin introduced the world to a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, operating without central authorities like banks or governments. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies or altcoins have since emerged, each with unique features and technological approaches. This diverse ecosystem offers opportunities but also complexities. Understanding this landscape requires curiosity and the right tools. The reasons for this booming interest are multifaceted. For some, it is the appeal of potentially high returns, as early adopters have seen significant financial gains. For others, it is the promise of blockchain technology for applications beyond currency. Grasping the fundamentals is crucial for engaging with digital assets responsibly. Engaging with the cryptocurrency market without understanding its past is akin to navigating a vast ocean without a map or compass. Historical market data provides that essential context, offering insights into how different assets have behaved under various conditions. By studying historical trends, price movements, and trading volumes, investors can begin to identify potential patterns, understand the cyclical nature of market sentiment, and appreciate the scale of volatility inherent in this asset class. The primary importance of analyzing historical data lies in its ability to help investors manage risk. Cryptocurrencies are known for their rapid price swings, and looking at past drawdowns and bull runs can prepare an individual for the potential turbulence ahead. This knowledge empowers investors to build more resilient portfolios and to approach the market with a greater degree of preparedness and caution. Ultimately, the analysis of historical market data fosters a deeper understanding of market dynamics. Accessing reliable historical market data is the foundational step for any meaningful analysis in the cryptocurrency space. One of the primary sources includes the application programming interfaces offered by reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, and others provide historical trade data, order book information, and candlestick data for the assets listed on their platforms. For those seeking more readily accessible and aggregated information, several dedicated crypto data aggregator websites serve as excellent resources. Prominent examples include CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and CryptoCompare. These platforms compile data from numerous exchanges, providing a more comprehensive view of the market. Beyond exchange and aggregator data, blockchain explorers offer another layer of historical information focusing on on-chain data. For any transparent public blockchain like Bitcoin or Ethereum, explorers such as blockchain.com for Bitcoin or Etherscan for Ethereum provide a complete history of all transactions, block details, active addresses, and other network-specific metrics. Building your analysis on a foundation of trustworthy data is essential for deriving meaningful and actionable insights. Section 4. Decoding the numbers essential metrics in crypto analysis. To effectively analyze historical crypto market data, one must first understand the key metrics that describe market behavior and asset characteristics. Perhaps the most fundamental metric is price. Historical price data is typically represented using open, high, low, and close (OHLC) values for specific time intervals, such as daily, hourly, or even minute by minute. Another critical metric is trading volume. Volume represents the total amount of a cryptocurrency that was traded during a specific period. High trading volume often indicates strong interest in an asset at its current price level and can be used to confirm the strength of a price trend. Market capitalization, or market cap, is a widely used metric to gauge the relative size and value of a cryptocurrency. Analyzing a combination of these historical metrics provides a more holistic view of a cryptocurrency's past performance and potential. Section 5. Arming yourself. Tools and platforms for market scrutiny. Once you understand the importance of historical data and the key metrics involved, the next step is to utilize tools and platforms that facilitate this analysis. For visual analysis and charting, platforms like TradingView are immensely popular. TradingView offers sophisticated charting tools, a vast library of technical indicators, drawing tools, and social networking features where users can share ideas. The crypto data aggregators mentioned earlier, such as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, also provide built-in charting tools and historical data views. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach or need to perform custom calculations and analysis, Traditional spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets can be surprisingly powerful. For more advanced users, particularly those interested in quantitative analysis or building automated trading systems, programming languages like Python are invaluable. This approach allows for complex backtesting of trading strategies, statistical modeling, and the development of custom analytical tools tailored to specific needs. Section 6. Navigating the future: informed decisions through historical insight. Analyzing historical market data is crucial for informed participation in the cryptocurrency market. While it can't predict the future, it provides context and a rational framework for decision-making. Examining past price action, volume trends, and market capitalization helps investors understand potential risks and rewards. Identifying patterns and understanding boom and bust cycles empowers strategic investment choices. Using platforms like CoinMarketCap and TradingView, or more complex tools, the goal is to extract actionable insights. Embracing this analytical mindset helps navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency landscape.